Hi and welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Loki and I'm here to do a very special walkthrough with you on this fantastic 2016 FJ Cruiser MY14. Now this is one of the last ever built FJ Cruisers and it is just something special. We're going to have a look around the vehicle and we're going to start from the front just to show you how special it is. We have a one-off custom front bull bar made by a mob in the city. Never been one before, never be another one afterwards. We have a winch fitted and a bash plate underneath and two tow hooks. Fog lights fitted. Now just something to mention, this front grille, there is a slight bit of damage here due to the winch box being mounted previously, but apart from that the rest of the car, paintwork and all, is in pristine condition. Now looking at our first rim here, alloys with BFGoodrich mud terrain tyres. No damage as you can see on these alloys. Being a big mud tyre like that, the rubber hits the curb before the rim, so you know it's always going to be quite good. Moving along, the paintwork, as you can see, quite good condition. Now we can speak to you about paint protection when you come in just to keep that looking good. Another thing to mention, sidebar rails, weather shields and a roof rack. Window tinting, TRD off-road stickers just to give it that awesome little, limited edition vibe. Second rim here, again, no damage to that alloy and a big mud terrain by BFGoodrich. Coming around to our rear, one-off made rear bull bar, bumper. This was made once by the same company that did the front. It just makes it a more unique car. Factory tow point as well. We have our 5th alloy spare wheel with the mud terrain tyres as well, keeping it good. Over here, quite easy to open and close this sway bar. Pull, latch, and it just opens up nice and easy. One thing to notice, there was a rear view camera factory, but it had to be removed just because of that sway bar. But that should not stop you from buying this beautiful limited edition, I would say, FJ Cruiser, one of the lasts. Open this gas strut assisted rear gate. We have fantastic storage space in the rear. As I said before, we have our factory rubber mats, tow bar, checker plate plastic lining, so you don't have to worry about loading anything into this bad boy. The back of the seats, again, same thing, plastic lined, so you can fold them down and chuck anything in there and you don't have to worry a thing. Closing this door is just as easy as opening it. Close like such. Sway this over. Quick latch. Put the pin, or you can get a padlock if you desire. Plenty of space for that. TRD exhaust system. Moving around, fuel filler point is on the passenger side, which we must let you know, just for your peace of mind, is one of the better positions for it, as if you've broken down on the side of the road, if you need to fill up, you're away from the side of the road where other traffic or dangers can be present. Third wheel, alloy again, pristine condition, lots of tread left on that mud tyre. Moving along, we'll show you how easy it is to open this FJ Cruiser, sort of like a space cab. So we have our main door here and a latch just on the side which will open this back side door. And again, looking in, fabric seats with vinyl on the rear and the bottom and our plastic floors. Makes cleaning up a lot easier. Plenty of space too. You can put your child seats in there if you have children or teens. All can pack in there without any issues. Lots of space in the door cards for drink bottles and many other items. Moving on, another sidebar as well. Paintwork, great condition. And our last rim here, again, fantastic alloy rim with BFGoodrich tyres. Now, this car does sit on an old Man Emu Lift Kit, which is one of the best you can get on the market. Now we'll just jump inside and show you around. Now looking into this clean engine bay, you can just see the Toyota's 6-cylinder 4-litre petrol engine on a 5-speed automatic. Now this car has 6 airbags for your peace of mind and safety. Power coming out of this engine is 200 kilowatts with 380 newton meters of torque. The fuel economy consumption combined is 11.4 litres to 100 kilometres, and the fuel average distance is 1,395 kilometres. Now we're inside this beautiful FJ Cruiser. We're going to go through some of the inside features and just give you an overview of what it's like so you get a feeling before you come down and jump in it yourself. So over here on the driver's side, we have our window controls. Driver's side's automatic down. We have our door locks and window lock. Over here also we have our electronic side mirror adjusters, inside light dimmer, our fog light switch and our headlight level switch, so we can adjust the heights, especially when this has been lifted on an old Man Emu Lift Kit. You need that extra height to get the headlights where they need to be. Right stock we have our indicators and light switch. Left stock we have our front and rear windscreen wipers. Now on this leather bound steering wheel, which is in perfect condition, on the right side we have our Bluetooth phone controls, and on the right side we have our volume and our head unit control selectors as well. So talking about our head unit here, factory Toyota head unit with sat navigation. We have audio, so Bluetooth, CD, FM and AM, and you can connect your phone with it with ease. As said before, it's Bluetooth audio. Hazard switch, rear demisters, AC, our controls, so fan speeds, temperature and where we would like the flow to come through. Airbag warning, if your passenger's not wearing the airbags, we'll let you know straight away. We have our clock and our survival gauges, really your compass and such for your forward driving needs. Auto dimming rear vision mirror, and up the top we have traction control, rear diff lock and our speed selector and hill climb button as well. Coming down here, USB 12 volt socket, strobe light switch, parking sensor switch so you can turn them on and off, and rear traction control there as well. Forward drive mode down here, 4 high, 4 low and 2 high. Automatic gear shift as well, which also comes in low gear, drive 3 and drive 4. 2 cup holders, center console, quite a bit of space, no lid, so you can get your big bottles and such in there with ease. Both seats, driver and passenger, have drop down armrests, which gives that extra luxury in there. Now if you look around the vehicle, we have fabric seats with vinyl backing and bottoms, just so when you're getting your kids in and out or you're going forward driving, you're not scuffing the fabric and making it a lot easier when you've got that mud and dirt tracking through. Vinyl flooring as well with those checkers in there as well, so a bit of grip and easy to clean as well. There are factory rubber mats in the back that can be clipped into place as well. Thank you again for watching this walkthrough video on our beautiful FJ Cruiser. Hopefully you've seen and made a decision that this is the car for you. A one-off opportunity, once in a lifetime chance to get this beautiful thing. When you come in and talk to us about it, we also have some options that we'd like to discuss further with you, like our glass coat protection for this paintwork to keep it pristine in the long run. It protects against bird droppings, bat droppings, means you don't have to wax or polish it. It's fantastic and keeps it looking shiny and great. Basically just a sacrificial layer over the paintwork. Also, we have a mechanical protection plan, Platinum, which will cover you for 5 years and includes covers 181 items. It also includes a 10-year roadside assist premium package too, and that covers not just only flat tires and fuel, but a range of things. Gives you 250 kilometers up to towing, loan car and accommodation if needed if you're quite far away. Thank you again. Give us a call on 9907 0555 or visit www.berwickmitsubishi.com.au and come see one of us and a friendly staff and test this beautiful car today. Thank you again.